Welcome back to the Review Garage, where we bring you the latest, the rarest, and the most exciting updates from the automotive world. If you love speed, innovation, and the smell of high-octane performance, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment from the garage. Today, we're diving deep into something truly special. After years of speculation, leaks, and high expectations, the new next-generation 2026 Audi R8 has finally been unveiled. And let me tell you, this is not just an update, this is a rebirth. Audi has taken the iconic R8 and completely reimagined it for the future. The 2026 R8 now stands as a testament to Audi's vision of combining cutting-edge technology, breathtaking performance, and unmistakable design. The silhouette remains familiar, but almost everything else has evolved. Starting with the design, the new R8 features a lower, wider stance, with sharper, more aggressive body lines that scream performance from every angle. The signature side blades have been reworked to flow seamlessly into the sculpted rear haunches, giving the car a dynamic profile that looks fast even when standing still. The front grille is wider and flatter, flanked by ultra-slim digital matrix LED headlights that look like they belong on a spaceship. Every detail of the exterior serves a purpose, whether it's cooling, downforce, or sheer aesthetic domination. Under the hood, or should we say beneath the rear deck, things get even more exciting. Gone is the naturally aspirated V10 that defined the last generation. The 2026 Audi R8 now comes with a hybrid powertrain, pairing a high-revving twin-turbo V8 with a performance-focused electric motor. Together, this system delivers a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower and an estimated 0 to 60 time of just 2.4 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 2.4 seconds. Top speed, over 210 miles per hour. This car doesn't just compete with supercars, aims to dominate them. What's even more impressive is how Audi has managed to keep the soul of the R8 alive, while making it future-ready. The new model features an advanced torque vectoring system, active aero components, and an adaptive suspension setup that can switch from daily driver comfort to track-ready stiffness in an instant. It's not just about going fast, it's about feeling connected to the road at every speed. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's nothing short of futuristic. Audi has doubled down on their virtual cockpit, now featuring a fully customizable 3D holographic display. The center console is sleek and minimalist, with haptic feedback controls and premium materials everywhere you look. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum blend to create a driver-focused yet luxurious experience. It's a space that wraps around you, making you feel like part of the machine. And for the first time ever, the R8 will be available with semi-autonomous track assist. This feature allows the car to record your laps, analyze your braking and steering input, and even suggest how to improve your performance all in real time. It's like having your own personal racing coach built right into the dash. Audi has made it clear, the 2026 R8 isn't just about performance, it's about sustainability too. With plug-in hybrid capabilities, improved fuel efficiency, and recycled materials used in construction, this car is built for speed and for a smarter planet. The new R8 is expected to go on sale in late 2025, with pricing starting around $210,000. But if you want one, you'd better act fast. Rumor has it production will be limited, and demand is already through the roof. That wraps up today's look at the stunning 2026 Audi R8. Let us know in the comments. Do you love the direction Audi's taking with this new R8, or do you miss the raw V10 roar of the past? This is the Review Garage. Stay tuned, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next one.